morning friends, welcome to my channel, and in this session we are going to learn one more lesson. That is, it's not a lesson, generally it's one of the grammar topics, and the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. How comparative and superlative degrees are formed, we are going to learn. So there is a table here, and there are 6 ways comparative and superlative degrees are formed. We are going to learn those 2. So first one, by adding or st to the positive degree. Once again I repeat, by adding or st to the positive degree. Positive also we can say. So here examples: wise, wiser, wisest. Now look at those wiser and wisest. We have added only or and st. Second, brave, braver, bravest. Even here we have added or for comparative degree and st for superlative degree. So this is one of the ways. Second one, by adding er or est to the positive degree. Now look at the examples: short, shorter, shortest, great, greater, greatest. So in these examples we have added er to form comparative degree and est to form superlative degree. So we can take many examples: clever, cleverer, cleverest. Okay, now long, longer, longest. So in this way we can say many examples. Now third one, if the positive ends in y, the y is changed into I and er or est will be added to the positive. So this is the third one. Now look at the examples: easy. Here easy is ending with y. Now to form its comparative degree, first we have to convert or change y into I, then we have to add er to form its comparative degree and est to form its superlative degree. That's what we have done here. Easier, y will be converted into, has been converted into I, er, easiest. In the same manner, healthy, healthier, healthiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, so like this we can say many examples. For example, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. So in this way we can just make a comparative and superlative degrees. And then fourth one, by doubling the consonant and then again by adding er and est, we will make comparative and superlative degrees. See, in English there are certain words which will have a longer sound. Their sound is longer. If we have such words, their comparative and superlative degrees are formed by doubling that consonant. Now look at the examples, then you will understand here. See, first example, hot, hot. See, when we pronounce this word, we are pronouncing and taking a little long sound. So that's why hot, hotter, hottest. We have doubled the consonant T, and then again by adding er and est. Hotter, hottest. Next one, big, bigger, biggest. Even we have doubled the consonant, that is G, and then by adding er and est we can make its comparative and superlative degrees. Then next one, by adding more or most to the positive degree again. So see here examples: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So generally more and most will be added to form comparative and superlative degrees, for the adjectives whose syllables are more than two. Again, what is syllable? See here, syllable means a unit of sound. When we pronounce the word beautiful, beautiful, there are three syllables in this word and there are three vowel sounds in this word. So in each syllable there should be a vowel sound. So based on vowel sounds we can divide or separate the word into syllables. And even we have exceptions in this. There are certain words which have two syllables also, but they will take to form their comparative degree more and to form their superlative degree most. We have exceptions. So that's why here beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. And I can say important, more important, most important. Valuable, more valuable, most valuable. Useful, more useful, most useful. So in this way we can say many examples. Now sixth one, here I have written irregular comparison. Okay, irregular comparison. See why I have written here irregular comparison. Here this comparison is done irregularly, not regularly. Okay, not regularly. So that's why irregular comparison. What is that irregular comparison? There is no connection to the positive degree when we form their comparative and superlative degrees. That is called irregular. So here look at the examples, you will understand. Good, better, best. And bad, worse, worst. Okay. In this way we can say many ways. We can form their comparatives and superlative degrees in this way. Okay. So I hope everyone has understood this video and keep on watching my videos and learn so many things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.